Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting both apps ready. This saves time and prevents interruptions. Open the primary app, then open the second app so it appears in Recents. Once done, make sure your navigation mode, gesture or buttons matches the method you'll use. You're doing this because split screen relies on Recents. If an app isn't in Recents, you can't pin it. So prepare both apps now, and we'll move straight to invoking split screen without extra setup steps. Now invoke split screen using Recents. Tap the Recents button or swipe up to view apps. Once you see the app you want on top, long press its icon or tap the menu and pick split screen. This pins that app to one half of the display. Next, select the second app from Recents or the app drawer. It will automatically occupy the remaining space. You do this because Android treats split screen as two active tasks, so choosing apps from Recents ensures correct. Finish by adjusting the divider. Drag it to resize windows to half, 1/3, or your preferred ratio and release to lock. You can interact with either app. For example, bring up the keyboard in one while viewing content in the other. If an app won't enter split screen, force stop and restart it, or turn off battery optimization for that app. Some aggressive power settings prevent multi-window. If problems persist, reboot the device and try the sequence again to clear temporary glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.